Panoptes virtual metrology predicts the process outcomes of every wafer in real time, unlocking a wide range of applications. Take process control, for example. An advanced process control system, or APC, uses metrology data to adjust process conditions, also known as recipes. However, there are many limitations when used only with physical metrology due to small sampling and time lag. It is similar to driving with one's eyes closed and opening them only once in a while. The APC systems can overcome these limitations with Panoptes VM. Real-time all-wafer VM data with root causes enables APC systems to better control yield-critical process variables. In fact, APC systems equipped with Panoptes VM can improve process variability and process capability index, or CPK, even leading to yield gain. Panoptes VM transforms metrology from a bottleneck into a strategic asset, enabling diverse applications that deliver higher yield, shorter cycle time, and reduced costs. If you are interested in learning more about Panoptes VM, please visit our website at gausslabs.ai.